It's a nice indefinite integral. Here the integral is integration square root of x dx over a cube minus x cube. We have to solve this, we have to evaluate this integral. This integral is square root of x dx over square root of a cube minus x cube. Now let's start this evaluation. Here the integral is integration square root of x dx this integral is to be evaluated. Now we are not able to find out this integral by using any formula directly, but we have the opportunity to solve this integral by using method of substitution. This is the very useful method for evaluation of an integral. We shall use the method of substitution to evaluate this integral. Now we can substitute u square for a cube minus x cube. That is, let us put a cube minus x cube equal to u square. We substitute u square for a cube minus x cube such that the square root from the denominator is removed. If we put this, the square root of denominator is removed. Square root of denominator is removed when we put a cube minus x cube equal to u square. So we can put this, we get root x dx this is equal to root x dx root over of u square. This equal to, also here we can differentiate both sides of this substitution, that of this relation, that is minus 3x square dx equal to, we have taken differentiation on both sides, we get this, and we put this relation, that is dx equal to, which implies dx equal to minus 2 over 3 u du over x square. We can put this, so we get square root of x dx. Dx is minus 2 over 3 u du over x square over root u square is also u, only u, that is square root is removed, u, and u is cancelled out. We get minus 2/3 du over x square into root x, that is du over x square is divided by root x. After division we get x to the power 2 minus half, x to the power 2 minus half. After division of x square by root x, after division of x square by root x, we get this result, that is x to the power 2 minus half, that is minus 2/3 du x to the power 3 over 2. This is equal to minus 2 over 3 du x to the power 3 to the power half. This is, so we have got this. So the integral is So the given integral is I equal to root x dx over root this equal to integration minus 2 over 3. We have transformed this integral into this integral. We have transformed this integral into this integral. We can put this value of this value of this integral, which is minus 2 over 3 du x cube. We have already put a cube minus x cube equal to u square. So x cube equal to a cube minus u square. We can put this value of x cube, that is minus 2 over 3 x to the power 3. X to the power 3 is this, that is a cube minus u square to the power half, since x cube equal to a cube minus u square, a cube minus u square. So this is equal to minus 2 over 3 du root over of a cube minus u square. Also we can write this as minus 2 over 3 du integration of a to the power 3 over 2 square, 3 over 2 square, a to the power 3 over 2 to the power 2 minus u square. Now we can use a formula. Thus this formula is integration dx root over of a square minus x square equal to sine inverse x. We can use this formula to evaluate this integral. To find out the value of this integral, we can use this formula. This formula is integration dx over a square minus x square equal to sine inverse x plus c. This is well known to us. This formula is well known to us. And also we can write here minus 2 over 3 sine inverse x. X is here u over a. A is a to the power 3 over 2. Here a is a to the power 3 over 2. X over a, that is x over a. Formula is x over a. The formula is integration dx over a square minus a square equal to sine inverse x over a plus c. So this is a to the power 3 over 2, which is equal to minus 2 over 3 sine inverse. We can put the value of u from this relation. We get u equal to square root of a cube minus x cube. So this is root over of a cube minus x cube over a to the power 3 over 2. This is equal to minus 2 over 3 sine inverse root over of a cube minus x cube over a to the power 3. This is, and also integration constant is c. This is the value of this integral. This is the value of the given indifferent integral. This value is minus 2 over 3 sine inverse a cube minus x cube over a cube square root of plus integration constant c. Thus we have evaluated this